SSN for international students, essential steps and benefits. Navigating the administrative aspects of studying in the U.S. can be overwhelming for international students, particularly when obtaining a Social Security number, SSN. This essential identifier facilitates opening bank accounts, securing employment, and accessing various services. Here's a guide to simplify the process. Balancing academics with administrative duties is challenging. Many students opt for professional assistance to manage their workload, allowing them to focus on essential tasks like obtaining an SSN and settling into U.S. life. The Social Security number, SSN, is a unique 9-digit identifier for U.S. citizens and residents. For international students, it serves as an essential identification tool and access point for services and legal employment in the United States. To secure an SSN as an international student, ensure you're eligible for employment or need it for non-work purposes. Eligibility often depends on having a job offer or authorization to work through OPT or CPT on an F1 visa. Prepare necessary documents like your passport, visa, Form I-20, and employment offer letter if applicable. These will establish your identity and employment eligibility when applying at a Social Security Administration, SSA, office. An SSN provides numerous advantages. It's essential for legal employment, facilitates tax filing, helps build a credit history, and eases access to services such as banking and healthcare. It also simplifies paperwork for various processes. International students can sometimes obtain an SSN without a job if they need it for specific non-employment reasons, like applying for federal student loans or a driver's license, as permitted by the SSA. Common challenges in obtaining an SSN include misunderstandings about eligibility, documentation errors, system update delays, and language barriers. Solutions include consulting university resources, checking documents, and waiting 10 days post-arrival before applying. An SSN offers long-term benefits beyond employment, such as building a credit history, simplifying re-entry into the U.S., and potentially assisting in immigration status adjustments by proving previous residency and tax compliance. Protect your SSN by storing the card securely, shredding documents with your SSN, and being cautious of scams seeking your information. This minimizes the risk of identity theft and ensures your SSN remains safe. Validating your SSN is crucial. Tools like Searchbug's SSN validation confirm the number's validity and provide details like state and year of issuance. Accurate records prevent issues with employment, taxes, and credit. Being informed about the SSN application process can significantly impact your U.S. experience as an international student. Proper preparation reduces stress, helping you integrate smoothly and focus on your study abroad journey. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.